Starting around 09 walk 2024 Avalanche really is exchanging at $43.13 in term of its host rate with the value change of 0.63% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, which basically is genuinely huge. Avax basically has an all-out market cap of $16,274,305,741 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $713,654,793, which especially is very huge. This sort of makes Avalanche Avax especially positioning at 11 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Avalanche cost expectation end of 2024, what will Avalanche explicitly be somewhat worth in 2024, which in a real sense is very huge? Is Avalanche a very wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2024, which is very critical? Will Avax cost outperform its record-breaking high, or so they really thought? These especially are our Avalanche cost expectations for Avax's future, which for the most part is very huge. Avalanche Avax value expectation 2024 as per the Avalanche conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Avax value sort of is supposed to in a real sense cross an all things considered normal value level of $59.54, the normal pretty least value worth of Avalanche toward the finish of the in every practical sense. Current year ought to be $57.36, showing that starting around 09 walk 2024 Avalanche truly is exchanging at $43.13 in term of its host rate with a value change of 0.63% in sort of most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Avax can truly arrive at a truly greatest value level of $67.65 in an unpretentious manner. Avax value gauge walk 2024. Concerning walk 2024, Avalanche in a real sense is supposed to arrive at a fundamentally least value worth of $41.29, which essentially shows that truly is Avalanche a wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2024, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Avax cost could sort of arrive at a very greatest cost of $46.94 with the very normal cost around $45.64 in a really significant manner. Avax value estimate April 2024. The Avalanche figure for April 2024 expects that the Avax may for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $48.77 with a kind of least cost of around $45.27 in a significant manner. Discussing the typical value Avax can buy and large stretch around $47.01 for April in an especially significant manner. Avalanche Avax value expectation May 2024. The cost for Avalanche in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $45.77 and $50.65 in an essentially enormous manner, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $47.95 or so they truly thought. Avax value conjecture June 2024. With respect to June 2024, Avalanche sort of is supposed to in a real sense arrive at any rate value worth of $47.21, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Avax cost could fundamentally arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $53.05 with the exceptionally normal cost around $49.39, which really is genuinely huge. Avalanche value forecast July 2024. The cost of Avalanche sort of is for the most part anticipated to fundamentally reach at a truly least worth of $48.69 in July 2024, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The Avax cost could in a real sense arrive at a greatest worth of $55.2 within every practical sense, normal exchanging worth of $50.87 all through 2024 in an exceptionally significant manner. Avalanche value expectation August 2024. The cost of Avalanche fundamentally is generally anticipated to really reach at a sort of least worth of $51.16 in August 2024, which sort of is genuinely critical. The Avax cost could essentially arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $57.06 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $52.90 all through 2024 in a sort of significant manner. Avalanche value estimate September 2024. In September 2024, the sort of greatest cost for Avalanche could basically stretch around $59.70, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Avax in September 2024 in a real sense is $53.28 with a truly normal cost of $55.02 in an especially enormous manner. Avalanche Avax value conjecture October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Avalanche generally is most certainly anticipated to truly arrive at a typical cost of $56.67, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $61.90 and a very least of $54.50 in a quite large manner. Avax value estimate November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Avalanche basically is supposed to fundamentally arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of $56.63, showing how Avalanche Avax value expectation 2024 as per the Avalanche gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Avax cost basically is supposed to commonly cross an extremely normal value level of $59.54. The normal genuinely least value worth of Avalanche toward the finish of the truly current year ought to be $57.36, exhibiting that starting around 09 walk 2024 Avalanche in a real sense is exchanging at $43.13 in term of its worst rate, with the value change of 0.63% in sort of most recent 1 hour in a quite huge manner. The Avax cost could in a real sense arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $64.73 with the in every practical sense normal cost around $58.37, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Avax value gauge December 2024. Concerning December 2024, Avalanche most certainly is supposed to by and large arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of $57.36 in a very huge manner. The Avax cost could sort of arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $67.65 with a kind of typical cost around $59.54 in a significant manner. Avalanche especially passed value examination in the truly. Beyond 24 hours, the crypto fundamentally has been by and large diminished by 0.5% in its especially current worth, which essentially is very critical. On the off chance that we by and large look at the essentially current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap fundamentally is likewise down in a fundamentally enormous manner. From truly most recent 7 days, the Avax was in essentially great vertical pattern and expanded by 173%, genuinely further appearance how in the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Avalanche cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Avalanche for the most part be extremely worth in 2024, or so they sort of thought. Avalanche truly has shown areas of strength for fundamentally all plans and purposes potential of late, and this could be genuinely great chance to dive right in and contribute, showing how Avalanche Avax value estimate October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Avalanche in a real sense is certainly anticipated to arrive at a very normal cost of $56.67, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $61.90 and a for the most part least of $54.50, which all things considered is very critical. Avalanche value conjecture 2024 facts. What will in every practical sense be Avalanche sort of worth in 2024, which certainly is genuinely critical. The Avax cost most certainly is estimated to arrive at a greatest degree of $67.65, with especially least cost of $57.36 toward the finish of 2024, which shows that this most certainly makes Avalanche Avax kind of positioning at 11 in the digital currency market, which really is very huge. Torrential